What is going on, guys? Welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you exactly how I make all my money in meme coins. And no, I do not make my money from trading nor from using signals, but it's just by using a simple deving strategy that has already made me 6 figures. A bunch of high level traders are actually switching from trading to launching because launching your own coins is actually safer and way more profitable. Look at this phantom wallet. Every single penny here came from launching meme coins, not by chasing charts and not by trading meme coins. Stick around, bro, because I wish I had this tutorial when I wanted to make some money by deving coins. Now, I used to be a full-time meme coin trencher, bro, back in the day when the volume was really high on Pump.Fun, bro. Everyone was making money. I was making thousands of dollars. And personally, bro, when I try to trade meme coins, every single time I try to buy inside a meme coin, bro, I get completely dumped on by the dev of the coin. That's exactly why I hate trading and I started deving. The money is made by the creators, not the traders. You guys have to understand that by creating your own coins, you have way more upside and way less risk. All you're doing is creating coins, waiting for buyers, and then cashing out, and then you just rinse and repeating this strategy. This is exactly how I make 2K every single day with just $0 because it's a repeatable system. You can do this over and over again. You can launch a meme coin, right, and you can just make $200, right? But on the next coin, you can make 10K, okay, or even 100K. It's so fucking good for money, and that's exactly why I'm making this video, because bro, it's a brand new method and I feel like not a lot of people are talking about it. So yeah, keep watching. And by the way, bro, this video and this content is for entertainment and educational purposes only. It is not financial advice, so always make your own decisions. Cap! Anyways, now it's time for the second part of the video, how and where do you launch a meme coin. Now, most beginners, okay, will go to Pump.Fun, which is the biggest launchpad out here, to launch their first token. Now, let me tell you why you do not want to be launching coins on Pump.Fun. Pump.Fun is oversaturated. There's too many coins and no visibility for all these tokens. If you launch a meme coin, bro, you will just lose your time and fucking energy, okay? First of all, you do not control your own liquidity on Pump.Fun. You do not control anything. You cannot cash out. You cannot do anything. Okay, and on top of that, your coin has to reach $85,000 for it to migrate onto the random DEX, which does take too much time, bro, and it's basically impossible unless you get really lucky on a narrative. That's exactly why you have to be using external launchpads, okay, which are way better than Pump.Fun. For example, create coins.io. I've personally made a shit ton of money on this website. Obviously, it is not financial advice, but a bunch of people are gatekeeping this website because create coins.io fixes all of that by pushing your token straight onto the random DEX, which will be viewed by a bunch of trenchers right away. You are basically skipping the line and your coin gets viewed to a bunch of people, and that is how you make money, bro. If you get eyeballs, you can get money and transactions in your coin. Now, you get more eyes, more volume, and more opportunity by using this launchpad. Now, here's how to go about it on this site to launch a meme coin. Now, it is really easy, bro. It might look a bit intimidating, but trust me, bro, it's really fucking easy. Now, there's 2 different ways to go about it. The first way is to start a coin from scratch. Now, to dev a coin, you need a narrative. Go on X, go on Reddit, go on, I don't know, YouTube, and look for a narrative, right? It could be literally anything from a Trump tweet, I don't know, like fucking, I'm not sure, bro, just anything, right? Just look for a narrative, find it, and once you think it could be good, come back to create coins.io, invent a name, add a symbol, then add a quick image, and just like that, your meme coin is fucking created on the spot. And it's custom made after these steps. But the second way to make a meme coin and to dev it is actually the fastest and the most profitable option, and that's by copying trending coins. Now, yes, but the concept is in the name. We're just copying trending coins, which means these coins already have hype, so copying them will give you immediate buyers and faster momentum for your coin because these coins already have a proven narrative and they're already going viral. That's why it's so profitable. Okay, let's stop explaining and let's actually launch a coin so you can watch the whole process happen in real time. Now, first of all, make sure your Phantom White is connected to the website, right? Then make sure you click on refresh, because here it will refresh the whole list and have all the new coins pop up. And now just copy one coin. I'm honestly, bro, going to copy the Pump Blocks coin. It has a last buy 1 second ago and it has an X. Okay, it's a community that is decent. Click on create coin. Ignore the block right here. Ignore it, it's completely normal. Just proceed, confirm I understand, then click on confirm right here, and then the coin should be created. Well, copied in a couple seconds. 3, 2, 1, boom. If I go and so scan, you guys will see that it is live, everything is legit, everything works. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this step is really fucking easy. We add liquidity and instantly, bro, your token becomes tradable onto Radium in front of a bunch of people. Now, for the amount token A, that's the first step. Make sure you set your liquidity. Click on 90%. That is going to drop 900 million tokens right under for the amount token B. This is basically the ignition for the chart. You are not spending any SOL permanently. It is just powering up the liquidity pool, and you only need 0.3 Solana minimum, and you will get that all back once you remove the liquidity later. So it's basically the first buy, and once you dump the coin, you are going to get it back. I'm going to put 0.35 SOL, just a bit more to be safe, because bro, you never know, okay? Then click on create pool, and then click on confirm. And when that is done, bro, click on the refresh button down below, scroll down, and boom, the Pump Blocks coin is on live, and your profit/losses will appear here. Now if you click on the refresh button to check your profits in real time for a second time, and now you guys can see that our profits went up to $120 because people are buying our coin live right now on the migrate section, and that is why Devin coins is so good. Your coin is getting shown to a bunch of people. Click on view on Photon or Axum or Nova, it's up to you. Let me go on full screen. Now the coin is live. You guys can see that it is pumping, everything is looking good. We are getting a lot of transactions. Now even though the coin dumped a bit, just wait, bro, more and more people are going to start buying in, because guys, you guys have to understand that a bunch of people are trenching, and more people are going to start seeing the coin and then buying in. Imagine, bro, 10,000 people looking at your coin, okay? If you can get a couple hundred people to buy in, that could change your life. Anyways, just wait, and yeah, bro, come on, pump, $12. Okay, I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to pump, and yeah, bro, I will do a quick time lapse. Enjoy the show, bro. When I am back, we are going to see how much we make off this coin. Alright guys, I am back, and we are at a 4.6k market cap and 1.9k liquidity. We have around 68 transactions, which is not too shabby. Anyways, when you are ready to make some money, bro, on your meme coin, come back to createcoins.io. And obviously, bro, the classic, click on the refresh button. And as you guys can see, we're up $1.5 thousand. Now click on the minus button, do 100%, remove the money right here by clicking on the red button. And now as you guys can see, bro, we're going to receive around 11.5 Solana. Click on confirm, and bang, we just dumped the coin hypothetically for educational purposes only. Now if I open the wallet to see how much we made, you guys can see that we're up $1.4 thousand, which is not too shabby, bro. I'm kinda used to it, but 1.5k for one of you guys, bro, that's a lot of money, bro. Like, I'm pretty sure you guys would fucking kill for this money. Anyways, bro, go try this out for yourself and let me know your results. And if you want to win 3 Solana like this guy right here, make sure to like, comment your Solana address, and subscribe, and join my free Discord and Telegram group down below to enter that giveaway, bro. Good luck.